Today about the study of modal auxiliary used in active and passive. Modal auxiliary shall and will is also a modal auxiliary, as you would have read in before classes, lower classes. Should, shall, will, would, should, could, may, might, ought to. These are modal auxiliaries. And in active and passive, their work is just on this formula. You see, I have written subject in affirmative sentence, subject affirmative. In affirmative sentence, subject modal auxiliary, first form of object. When it is changed into passive, it becomes object plus modal auxiliary plus be plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. Here I have written a sentence. You will see a film today. Here subject is you and a film is object. I change this sentence in passive. A film is object, modal auxiliary will plus be v3. Third form of C is seen. By and subject is you and remaining word is today. In the same way, the second example, he should memorize the matter. He is subject and the matter is object. The matter should be memorized by subject is he. This will be changed into him. So thus we can change the sentences of factors wise into passive on this ground in affirmative sentence. And if you have negative, then you will add a not after modal auxiliary, and passive also you will add not in negative sentence. Let's write example. You cannot cross this river. Subject is you and object is this river. I change this sentence in passive. Object is this river. Modal auxiliary is here can not be. V3 is crossed by you. C would cook food in courtyard. This sentence is in active voice, and if we change this in passive, here subject is C and food is object. Food would be cooked is third form by her in a courtyard. Thus you can change a negative sentence of active voice into passive. Here I did not write not. You should, here you should be use not. You should use not. So this sentence is in negative. Let's start interrogative. In interrogative, Madhuri is written first and subject comes in the middle of the sentence. Madhuri, subject, first form of verb, object. This is active voice, and Madhuri, object, be OB, object plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject. Let's write an example. Should a great leader tell a lie? Madhuri, should a subject is a great leader. First form of verb is tell, and object is a lie. First you will write Madhuri should a, object is a lie, v3 told, by, subject is a great leader. Great leader. This sentence is in passive voice. This sentence is in active and this is passive. If you have question word, then you will write down the question same. For example, how could they drag the dog on the road? On the road. This sentence is inactive. Here question word. Madhuri could, the subject, first form of verb. Sorry, this they is subject. Drag is verb and the dog is object. A dog is object. So the question word will be written same. Madhuri will be same. Could, and B, how could Madhuri, question word Madhuri, object. Object is the dog. B, third form of drag is dragged. By, they change into them. Remaining words are on the road. On the road. As I have already told you, if the question word is who, then in place of question word, you will write whom. Suppose, who can solve this question? Look at the board here. Question, this question word, Madhuri can, there is no subject, solve. This question is object. How would you write? You will write in place of who, by whom. By whom can, object is this question. This question. B, and third form of solve is solved. Thus, an interrogative sentence of active voice based on Madhuri can be changed into passive voice. And in interrogative negative sentence, not is written after object or subject. In active voice, you will find after subject modal auxiliary plus subject plus not. And in passive voice, modal auxiliary plus object plus not, and others will remain same. Let's start. An example. Could government not protect the the poor on the road? Could government is object, not first form of protect. Object is the poor. Could the poor not be third form of protect is protected by government. Remaining words on the road. If you have a question word, then you will write question word same. Why? Should he not cross the line? Why should your question word is why mod is should plus subject sorry object. Object is the line, not be. And third form of cross is crossed by him. Thus this is the these are the rules based on modal auxiliary, and one more rules is also used. I write in that way. We use have plus third form of verb. Subject write subject plus modal auxiliary plus have plus V3 plus sub object. This sentence is in active voice, and object plus modal auxiliary plus have plus been plus B3 plus by plus subject. This sentence is in passive. For example, he may have seen the movie. This sentence is based on subject is he, modal may have P3 seen the movie. If you have to change this in passive voice, then movie will be object of the sentence. The movie may have been seen by him. This sentence is in active and this I change in passive. One more example. They could have cooked food on the road. Subject modally have third form and object. Object is food है, तो food है, could is modally could है, have been cooked by, they is change into them on the road. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. If you find not in active voice, then you will use not after model auxiliary in passive voice. अच्छा आ रहा है. For example, तीन का सेंटेंस और लिखना. For example, she will have made your picture. Your picture. The object is your picture. Will have been made by her. This sentence is in active and this sentence is in passive. He should have shot the terrorist. This sentence is in active voice. This terrorist and he. The terrorist should have been shot by him. This sentence is in passive. Sorry, if you will find it not. Here will be not. Here after will not. After should not. And here after should not. So after modally, you will write not in active voice and also in passive voice. Let's change interrogative sentence based on model auxiliary. Model auxiliary plus subject plus have plus V3. Model auxiliary plus object plus have plus been V3 by subject. For example, would the boys have completed their work? This sentence is inactive. So would their work is object, have been completed by the boys. By the boys. And if you find question word, for example, how will they have built this house so quickly? This sentence is inactive. Then how will object is this house this house have been built by them so quickly. This sentence is in passive voice. In interrogative negative, you will write not after subject in active and after object in passive voice. I write example. How may the children not have played match there? So may the match not have been played by subject is the children. Children, remaining words there. Thus, you can change interrogative negative sentence into passive. Why will they not have dug a well in the village? In the village. So why will a well not have been dug by? They will be changed to them. Remaining words in the village. Thus, we can change a sentence of active voice based on modulatory into passive. The homework will be sent on WhatsApp and you will try to change into passive or change into active as directed. And if you have any problem related to these rules, you may ask to me, you may contact to me. Thank you.